Avoban Ointment. Ingredients: mupirocin 2%. Avoban Ointment. Indications: Avoban is a topical antibacterial agent, active against those organisms responsible for the majority of skin infections such as impetigo, folliculitis, and furunculosis. Contraindications: do not use Avoban ointment if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. It is not recommended for use on broken or infected skin. Dose: apply a thin layer of Avoban ointment to the affected area 2 to 3 times daily, or as directed by a healthcare professional. Side effects: some common side effects of Avoban ointment may include skin irritation, redness, itching, or a stinging sensation at the application site. In rare cases, prolonged use of Avoban ointment may cause allergic reactions such as rash, hives, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms, stop using Avoban ointment immediately and seek medical attention.